Remove dust, grease, or makeup on the face and neck with makeup remover, 2 minutes. Clean face and neck with cleanser, 3 minutes. Wash face clean, 3 minutes. Get some blackhead removing liquid with cotton pad and apply it to the T area of face and use hot steam for 5 to 8 minutes. Toner is recommended if you have sensitive skin. Turn off the steam, remove the cotton pad. Thorough cleaning with the facial vacuum cups. Facial vacuum cups can help remove blackheads, whiteheads, grease, and dirt and grime in pores. 10 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 1 is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, keep your face moisturized. Closely attach the vacuum cup to the lower jaw for 1 second and move it slowly from jaw to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose one to temple in a 9x9 way, 3 to 5 times. Put the cup on the forehead tightly for 1 second and then move it gently towards the hairline in a 9x9 way, 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Perform the treatment on nose area. The suction level can be reasonably increased if pores are severely blocked. Clean face, 2 minutes. Apply toner, 1 minute. Relax face. Apply massage cream evenly to the face and massage face for 3 times. Lift from chin to yifeng with middle and ring fingers or both hands. Use finger to press yifeng with left hand. Lift and wipe lower jaw back and forth with right hand. Reverse the techniques of both hands 3 times respectively. Massage cheeks with middle and ring fingers of both hands combined, moving in a C-shaped motion back and forth from chin to upper lip. Press chengjiang and renzhong 3 times. Press renzhong in a gentle way. Press 地仓、颊车、耳门、听宫、听会. Lift the skin at the front and back of ears with index finger and middle finger, and then knead the earlobes with thumb and index finger 3 times. Press 迎香, 全牛, and temple with fingers 3 times. Use both hands to massage eye area with middle and ring fingers splaying. Press 鼻通 and 睛明. Press 传竹, 鱼腰, 丝竹空, 童子髎 along eyebrow 3 times. Press 球后, 承气, 四白, 睛明 from outer corner of the eye along the lower orbit of the eye 3 times. Press 印堂, 神庭, 天心 acupoints. Use palms to massage forehead alternately. Press forehead with palms combined 3 times. Use both hands to massage eye area again, and then press temples. Put one hand on the forehead in the shape of scissor hands, and the other moves in same motion from one temple to the other 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Use the middle and ring fingers of both hands to move in a zigzag motion back and forth 3 times. Press temples and move from the front of ear along hairline to the back of ear and finally to the neck. One side. Alternate both hands to lift from lower jaw to subnormal triangle in tepadament 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Combine fingers to knead cheeks 3 times. Massage eye area in circles 3 times, with right hand moving clockwise and left hand moving anti-clockwise. Alternate both hands to lift from lower eyelid to the temple with middle and ring fingers 3 times. One side. Lift the eye area with hand in the shape of scissor hands towards the temple 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Alternate both hands to lift the skin from chin to temple 9 by 9 3 times. Lift the corner of the eye towards the hairline 3 times. Lift towards hairlines on forehead 3 times, and then pass through the front and back of ear along the hairline to neck. Do the same on the other side. Lift the face with fingers of both hands alternately 3 to 5 times. One side, leave the face with both hands alternately 2 to 3 minutes. Do the same on the other side. Lift the chin 3 times. Wash face clean 3 minutes. Facial detoxification with the finger-shaped cups. The finger-shaped cups can help accelerate blood circulation, activate cells, increase skin's elasticity, and reduce fine lines. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 2 is recommended. Closely attach the vacuum cup to lower jaw for 1 second and move it slowly from jaw to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose rim to temple in a 9x9 way, 3 to 5 times. Put the cup on the forehead tightly for 1 second, and then move it gently towards the hairline in a 9x9 way, 3 to 5 times. Use one hand and the cup to alternately lift from jaw to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose rim to temple, and then pass through neck to the armpit 3 times. Use one hand and the cup to lift from the lower eyelid to temple, and then pass through neck to armpit 3 times. Use one hand and the cup to lift from forehead towards hairlines 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Clean face 3 minutes. Apply face mask 15 minutes. Remove mask and then wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, lotion, or face cream, sun cream. Treatment recommendation: 60 minutes for each treatment session, once a week. One course of treatment consists of 10 treatment sessions. Please note, keep hydrated and avoid sunburns. Do not use AHA, scrubbing and exfoliating products and other irritating products. Apply facial mask 3 times a week. Those with wounds on skin, sensitive skin, or who have taken plastic surgery cannot take this treatment.